Hello, I will be bringing to you a series of short videos focusing on the number line, a seemingly very simple tool, but which if used correctly can be very effective, especially in counting, addition, and subtraction. This short tutorial is only an introduction to what we will be speaking about. We will see different types of number lines, their relevance, usage, and how these progress along the years. What makes such a seemingly humble tool so useful? What concepts can we target using the number line? Which are the skills and strategies that can develop when we use this tool? These are only some of the areas that we'll be discussing in future videos. However, before we delve into the why or how we use a number line, let us determine what a number line is. Fact 1. In math, a number line can be defined as a pictorial representation of numbers on a straight line. The numbers are placed sequentially, spaced out equally along its length, and these can be extended in any direction. A number line, however, can only show the numbers pertaining to one pattern or sequence. For example, I cannot have a number line that initially shows numbers set out in twos and then changes to the pattern of fours. Fact 2. The value of numbers on a number line increase when one moves left to right and decrease when one moves from right to left. Fact 3. A number line can start on any given number and stop at any given number. The possible ranges of numbers presented are infinite. Fact 4. A number line can target the progression of different values. Number lines can present the progression of all integers, both negative and positive, with 0 as the starting point. It can present fractions, decimals, and at a later stage in the secondary years, even percentages. These three concepts can be presented separately or combined. When an individual concept is presented on a number line, it just shows the progression of how the respective values are increasing, whereas when the number line presents topics like fractions, decimals, and percentages simultaneously, it helps the students understand better the connection between the three concepts. Number lines can also serve as an excellent representation of the elapse of time. Fact 5. As students get more familiar with the use of a number line and its flexibility, they start to use blank or open number lines to illustrate their thoughts as they problem solve. When children use blank or open number lines, they need to determine the range of numbers they are going to work within. So, they have to determine the starting point and the end point. Now that we looked at the different types of number lines that we can come across, let us focus on the progression of skills that the number line can be used for. Which concepts are addressed? The use of number lines helps provide students with a visual representation of the stable order of numbers and the relationship among them with regards to their position. They can visualize the meaning of the term before, after, and in between. A number line can help to foster children's confidence in numbers. It aids the development of mathematical fluency and facility with numbers. Hence, children would be able to visualize any missing numbers or follow a pattern to continue a sequence. As they master the order of integers, the number line serves as an important tool for the students to understand the concept of rounding numbers, say, to the nearest 10 or 100. These will pave the way for students to develop mental strategies necessary for addition and subtraction. A number line can also show the elapse of time, which is a very abstract concept to understand. So, finally, as I said earlier, there is so much more to a number line that meets the eye, right? If you would like to know more, keep following our page for part 2. Goodbye for now.